So, you want to be a K-pop idol. You've seen the stages, the visuals, the fame. But here's the truth. What you don't see is what makes or breaks a trainee. If you're serious, stay with me. This is what every future trainee needs to know. K-Vibe and Guides. What every K-pop trainee needs to know. No sugarcoating, just reality. Section 1. The dream versus the reality. Okay, let's talk about facts. Getting accepted as a trainee isn't the end. It's just the beginning. Training is intense. You're dancing, singing, learning Korean, doing evaluations. You're competing with hundreds of others who also want it as badly as you do. It's exciting, but it's also tough. Some people get cut, some burn out. That's why I'm telling you this now. So you go in prepared, not clueless. Section 2. What companies actually look for talent matters, yes. But raw potential matters more. Here's what they're really watching for. Stage presence, even through a screen. Charisma. Do you feel like someone people will remember? Work ethic. Do you look like someone who won't give up after one rejection? They're not just choosing a singer. They're building a brand. If you're hard to train, too shy, or not adaptable, it's game over. Section 3. How to actually prepare. So how do you prepare before even stepping into an audition? Train yourself before they train. You don't wait to be accepted to start working. Dance daily. Train your vocals. Record your practice. Watch it back. Be brutal and improve on what needs work. Know your industry. Understand the market, the concepts, the groups, the trends. Watch performances, study choreography. This isn't just about talent, it's about knowing your environment. Record smart. Your audition video should show clean movement, controlled vocals, and confidence. Bad lighting and messy camera angles? Automatic rejection. They're judging everything. Not just your skills, but how you present them. Work on Korean Basic Korean will give you a huge advantage. They'll take you more seriously. It shows respect and commitment. Section 4. The mental game. No one talks about this enough. You need mental strength. Real mental strength. You'll face rejection, comparison, exhaustion, self-doubt. But here's the deal. The ones who make it didn't always start out the best. They just refused to quit. They kept showing up, learning, improving, adjusting. You're not just building skill, you're building resilience. Section 5. The Global Trainee Advantage. If you're an international fan, here's what you need to hear. You're not at a disadvantage, you're different, and that's power. Agencies want global reach. They want international trainees who bring something fresh. So stop thinking you're too far away or not Korean enough. Just make sure your performance is undeniable. Being a trainee is tough, but so is chasing any big dream. If you're ready to work hard, keep improving, and stay focused. You're already ahead of the crowd. Now go train, go improve, and go chase it smart. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your biggest trainee goal? Hit subscribe if you're serious about this path. And check out the next video. What to submit in a K-pop online audition with real examples.